Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. Today we are making a delicious pot of jollof rice with our all-purpose stew. I've just added about 3 cooking spoons of the stew and the meat stock, and I've also gone ahead to spice and add seasonings. I'm using curry powder, ginger powder, thyme, garlic powder, seasoning cubes, and some chicken cubes. I also added little salt to it and stirred everything together. I'm also adding some ground pepper, black and red pepper, or Cameroon pepper as we call it. After stirring, I'll now add the rice which I've already parboiled and washed. If you have not watched how I made the all-purpose tomato stew, which I'm using for this rice, the link will be in the description box below. You will also find it before this video. It's a video I uploaded before this particular one you are watching now. So check it out and also share the video. Thank you. I love you all. Now I'll stir the rice to mix the tomatoes and the rice together, and then go ahead and add some warm water to it just to cover the rice. The water you add in your rice depends on the type of rice you are using. This rice I'm using is hard, so it needs enough water. I'll add the water, stir it again, and cover to cook. Our jollof rice is well cooked now, but it still has some water in it. So I'll go ahead and add about 2 tablespoons of ground crayfish to it. I also have about half a cup of green peas in the house, so I'll add it to the rice. I'll just gently stir and cover it and allow the water in it to dry. But this will be in a very low heat. I've already reduced my heat to the lowest, and that will dry off the remaining water in the rice. And our delicious pot of jollof rice is ready. This rice was so delicious and so tasty. You can serve this with any protein of your choice and a salad if you want, or any vegetable. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and also share to your loved ones. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.